I am Pradip. This is my first video. My channel name is Pradip's Management. So you are understanding my purpose is to manage anything. This is my first video, so I am little nervous, but I am very excited. I do not know whether you will be satisfied or not by me, but I will try my best. Today our main concern is COVID-19, but beside this we have a huge problem about unemployment. But one job is available everywhere, and that is marketing job. Wherever you go and ask for a job, the owner or manager will tell you that there is no vacancy, but one job is available if you want to do that, and that is marketing job. So whenever and wherever you want to get a marketing job, you will. And I think anybody can take it as a profession, but two faculty is need for this job. First is fluency in local language, and second is enthusiasm or dynamism. First, you have to be fluent in regional language or local language, because in India or many other countries everybody do not know English. So first you have to be fluent in local language so that local people can understand what you want to tell them. The second faculty is you have to be dynamic. It means you have to be spirited. You always have to think that you can convince them and you will convince them whatever you want to sell, a product or service. The first question is, what is marketing? Many people think that selling and marketing are same. Many people think shopping and marketing are same. Many people think merchandising and marketing are same. All these concepts are partially correct, but marketing is a much broader concept. To move a product or service from producer to consumer, many activities are involved in there, such as packaging, labeling, producing, warehousing, distribution, selling, and all these activities are collectively called marketing. And I want to mention one thing what is very important, that marketing is not only a post-production activities. There are many activities which are involved even before productions, such as collecting informations for developing a product or service, collecting informations that what kind of product customer need, etc. The second question is, what can be marketed? The answer is anything which is of value to the others can be marketed. It can be a product or it can be a service, it can be a place, it can be an idea or an information or an organization, anything. The third question is, who is a marketer? Anybody who takes more active role in exchange process can be called marketer. Naturally, sellers are the marketers, but in the case of rare supply, buyers can take more active role, and in this case buyers can be called the marketers. The final question is, what is marketing management? The answer is, marketing management is a process to getting, keeping and growing customers through creating, delivering and communicating superior customer value of management. This is enough for today, and I hope you will enjoy my first video. If you will be satisfied, then please give me a great thumbs up. Bye.